Number 7, solve the inequality. Which of the following is the solution set? So we solve inequalities the same as we solve equations. We want to get the x alone. So I'm going to divide both sides by -2. And on the left, I get x, and on the right, I get -4. But remember, the only difference between solving an inequality and an equation is that if you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to turn the alligator around. So that's going to look like that. X less than or equal to -4. And the answer choices appear to be written in interval notation. So it might help to draw a number line. So here's 0, -4. X is less than or equal to -4. So here's my -4. I put a square bracket because I'm including it because of the or equal to. And then I'm going to highlight everything to the left because smaller than -4 is to the left of -4. So in interval notation, this is -infinity to -4, including the -4, but we never include an infinity. So that looks like answer choice A.